Imagine making money online without any skills, no prior experience, and completely automated. Sounds impossible? Well, thanks to AI, it's now easier than ever. In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful AI methods to generate income on autopilot. No tech knowledge required. Stay till the end because I'll share a bonus method to make this truly passive. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to earn it online for more money-making hacks. First up, let's use AI to create a faceless YouTube channel that earns money through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Here's how you do it step by step. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche. Examples: tech, motivation, AI, or finance. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to generate scripts for YouTube videos. Step 3. Create AI-generated voiceovers using 11 Labs or Murph AI. Step 4. Use Canva or Pictory to generate video content. Step 5. Upload and optimize for SEO. I'll share a tool for that later. How this makes money. YouTube ad revenue. Affiliate links in the description. Sponsorship deals. Next, we'll use AI to sell designs without ever touching a product. This is done through print on demand, POD. Here's the process. Step 1. Use Midjourney or Leonardo AI to generate unique designs. Step 2. Upload designs to Printify, Redbubble, or Teespring. Step 3. AI automatically lists them on products: t-shirts, mugs, hoodies. Step 4. Market on Pinterest and TikTok using AI-generated posts. How this makes money. Every sale earns you passive income. No inventory, no shipping, AI does it all. The final method is selling AI-generated content on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. You don't need to write, design, or edit anything manually. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to write blog posts, resumes, or product descriptions. Step 2. Offer AI-generated logo design using Luca. Step 3. Sell AI-generated social media posts using Canva AI. How this makes money. Sell AI services for $10, $50 per order. Automate with templates for fast delivery. Here's an extra strategy to make money 100% passively. AI can help you earn through affiliate marketing without a website or ads. Step 1. Sign up for Amazon Associates or Digistore 24. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to write social media posts about the product. Step 3. Post on Quora, Reddit, or Medium with your affiliate link. Step 4. Let AI drive traffic and earn commissions from sales. How this makes money. Every sale equals passive income. AI automates content creation, so you don't have to write manually. And there you have it. 4 AI-powered ways to make money online without any skills. Which one are you trying first? Drop a comment below. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on my next money-making tutorial.